Welcome back, ladies. Today we're talking about something we all own, we all love, but not everyone styles correctly. And that is jeans. If you're over 50, jeans can either make you look effortlessly polished or unintentionally underdressed. And the difference is not your age, it's the fit and the styling. Let's start with the most important rule. Avoid tight, overly stretchy skinny jeans. They often highlight areas we don't need to emphasize and can make an outfit look less refined. Instead, look for straight leg jeans, relaxed fit jeans, wide leg jeans, high-waisted silhouettes. These shapes instantly elevate your look and create beautiful, clean lines. Now let's talk about how to style them. First, the tailored shirt. A crisp white shirt, a soft blue button-down, or even a subtle stripe tucked into straight leg jeans looks timeless. Add a structured belt and a leather handbag, and suddenly, your denim looks intentional. Second, linen and natural fabrics. A beige linen shirt or lightweight blazer paired with wide leg jeans creates that effortless European elegance. It's breathable, refined, and perfect for spring and summer. Third, the elevated basic tee. Not just any t-shirt. Choose one with structure. Thicker cotton, a clean neckline. Tuck it slightly into your jeans. Add a blazer or beautiful sandals, and your outfit instantly looks expensive. Fourth, silk or satin blouses. If you want something feminine and polished, a soft blouse tucked into high-waisted jeans is incredibly flattering. Pair it with neutral heels or loafers, and you're done. Now let's talk shoes, because shoes change everything. Swap sneakers for loafers, swap casual flats for slingbacks, swap overly chunky sandals for elegant leather ones, and always carry a structured handbag. Structure adds sophistication, even to denim. Another tip, keep your colors cohesive. Neutral palettes, white, beige, navy, soft pink, camel, always look refined with denim. And finally, confidence. Jeans are not about dressing younger. They're about dressing modern. There is a difference. When you choose the right cut, pair them with quality fabrics, and keep your accessories polished, jeans become one of the most elegant pieces in your wardrobe. So yes, you can absolutely wear jeans over 50. Just wear them with intention. If you enjoyed this video and love elegant, timeless style inspiration, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my next one. I'll see you in the next video, ladies.